Well, every point that has been addressed by the Chief Election Commissioner, especially when it comes to lauding the polling process that seamlessly and smoothly went on in Jammu and Kashmir right after the abrogation of Article 370. Remember, when it comes to the seats there that went to polls in Jammu and Kashmir, all of them have been breaking previous records. The highest ever voter turnout that has been recorded from the seats coming from Kashmir. Let's listen in.
जब हम चुनाव कराने के लिए गए थे मार्च 12-13 में, तो प्रश्न पूछे जा रहे थे हमसे। हर समय प्रश्नों का जवाब देना पड़ता है कि आप साथ साथ क्यों नहीं करा रहे हैं, वो कब कराएंगे। उस समय जवाब दिया था हमने कि कराएंगे, सही समय पे कराएंगे, जरूर कराएंगे और अब कराएंगे। अब इस फाउंडेशन पर बिल्ड करेंगे। वी अंडरस्टैंड दैट पीपल आर रेडी टू डेमोक्रेटिकली डिसाइड देयर फ्यूचर।
Well, Pragya, on this, as far as Jammu and Kashmir is concerned, and when it comes to bumper voting that was reported in all of the seats there, that only according to the CEC signifies that how people are ready and eager to take part in democratic process.
Well, one of the biggest transformation in Jammu and Kashmir that you're going to witness after abrogation of 370 was people's participation in the democratic process. We went to various campaigns also. We went to Mr. Omar Abdullah's campaign also, and he also acknowledged the kind of response that people are giving. You know, remember earlier what used to happen? There used to be hadtal calls, there used to be terrorist threats, and also they were threatened by the terrorists to not participate in the democratic process, not to vote. In fact, that all has changed. Irrespective who will win the seats in whether Jammu or Udhampur, or for that matter 3 seats in the valley, irrespective of that, the point here is that people came out in huge number. There were fair chance of them to participate in the democratic process. They became integral part of that democratic process only after abrogation of 370, and this was very apparent in whatever campaign we witnessed. We went to, there were rallies, there were sabhas, and everyone was very excited to be part of that. So that kind of participation, not many, even the politicians there thought that that was not the norm in Jammu and Kashmir earlier. But obviously there were some issues with the people. There is also an issue of the statehood that will resolve later. But for now, it is...
well, it's a proud moment there, especially Pradeep, who's also joining us. For the naysayers, Pradeep, you were right there. You have covered the seats there in Jammu and Kashmir. You have seen it from your own eyes. The kind of enthusiasm was there amongst people to come out and vote.
Yes, you're absolutely right. In fact, the people of Jammu and Kashmir have not only kept the tryst with the democracy, but they have given a befitting reply to lobby as well as ecosystem and those Kashmir-centric netas who had been portraying a very gloomy picture after abrogation of Article 370. And they had been, that alienation bubble has been punctured by the people of Kashmir Valley when they came out in large number to vote for the candidate of their choice. And we saw that in Srinagar, it was a record voting, bumper reporting, 40%, more than 40%. This had not happened in last 4 decades. We saw the similar 60% of polling percentage in Baramulla. In Anantnag constituency also we saw touching 60. That clearly indicate that people had made up their mind because they want to be part of Indian democratic system. They have seen how the kind of a transformation has taken place. As my colleague Pragya was rightly saying, we have seen the stone pelting has come to screeching halt. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi himself said the biggest ever gift what he has given to people of Jammu and Kashmir, especially the mothers. No more they have tears in their eyes. No more they are losing their sons because of Pak-sponsored gun culture or because of stone pelting. So when sons are with you and they are part of the mainstream and they are part of the democratic process, nothing can be better than that for the mothers. So that is the gift what actually Prime Minister Narendra Modi has given. Then look at the tourism. It has given not only fillip to the economy, but it has also bright smile on the faces, because those sullen faces we have seen for years together. They had been waiting for the tourists to come out to this place. Now we have seen lakhs of tourists going to Kashmir Valley. Right now you will not find even hotels. It's very difficult to get hotel booked there. So large number of people are coming out to this place. So things have really changed. I think
that exactly is the true story of Jammu and Kashmir. To all the pessimists, to all the naysayers, this is when it comes to the bumper voting and the voter turnout that has been recorded. कविंदर गुप्ता जी भी हमारे साथ फोन लाइन पे जुड़ गए. कविंदर गुप्ता जी, हमने ECI की तरफ से सुना सर, अभी प्रेस ब्रीफिंग चल रही है, उनकी तरफ से ये कहना है कि बम्पर वोटिंग हुई है जम्मू एंड कश्मीर में और ये तारीफ के काबिल है.
देखिए, ये बिल्कुल सही बात है इससे पहले भी जो मेंबर पार्लियामेंट एमएलए बन करके जाते थे कश्मीर से, ये खुद इन चीजों को मैनेज करते थे हुर्रियत के माध्यम से, जमायत के माध्यम से, कि किस प्रकार से उनको पोलिंग करने से रोका जाए। तो उतनी पोलिंग होती थी 5%, 7% की, जिससे वो आसानी से जीत करके ये सारी चीजें मैनेज होती थी। आज इलेक्शन कमीशन के माध्यम से एक अच्छा यहाँ पर पुलिस बल ने, हमारे सुरक्षा वालों ने पूरा उनका साथ दिया, और लोग वोट पहले भी डालना चाहते थे, लेकिन माहौल इस प्रकार का उस वक्त के लोग बनाया करते थे कि ये पॉसिबल ना हो सके। ये इसको अप्रिशिएट करना चाहिए जो इलेक्शन कमीशन ने किया है। लोगों ने भी साथ दिया है और लोगों ने खुल करके, मुझे लगता है कि आने वाले विधानसभा इलेक्शन में इससे भी बेहतर जो पोलिंग यहाँ पर होगी।
तो काफी प्रॉमिसिंग है सर पिक्चर जो फिलहाल नजर आ रही है। अब वो देखना होगा कि आखिरकार वोटर टर्नआउट तो काफी अच्छा था जो रिकॉर्ड किया गया है, प्रीवियस वोटर टर्नआउट्स को भी उसने रिकॉर्ड ब्रेक किया है। अब कल पता चलेगा कि आखिरकार हाउ इट ट्रांसलेट्स इनटू द इलेक्शन रिजल्ट्स। धन्यवाद आपका कविंदर गुप्ता जी हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए। टू यू प्रदीप एंड प्रज्ञा एज वेल, यू आर वाचिंग टाइम्स नाउ। वी विल बी बैक आफ्टर अ शॉर्ट ब्रेक।